In this quick guide, you'll learn how to reset paper trading in Webull desktop. If you're using Webull for practice or getting familiar with the market, paper trading is an invaluable tool. But sometimes you might want to start fresh and reset your paper trading account. Let's dive into how you can do just that. First, open the Webull desktop app on your computer and sign into your account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the paper trading section. You'll find this conveniently located in the left sidebar of your Webull desktop app. This section is where you'll manage your simulated trades and get a feel for the market without any real financial risk. Once you're in the paper trading area, you'll need to open or create a trading layout. This is essentially your workspace within the app where you can arrange different tools and widgets to your preference. If you haven't set up a layout yet, now's a good time to do so. It'll help you keep everything organized and easily accessible. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll notice an option to add widgets. Click on this and ensure you include the paper account detail widget in your layout. This widget is crucial because it displays your paper trading account balance and is where you'll find the reset option. With the widget visible, look for the reset option near your paper trading account balance. This might take a moment to locate, but it's typically straightforward once you know where to look. Click the reset button, and just like that, your paper trading account and virtual balance will be reset to their initial states, giving you a fresh start. However, if you encounter difficulty finding the reset option, there's a simple workaround. You can try deleting your current layout and creating a new paper trading layout from scratch. This often resolves any issues related to missing options. Once you've set up a new layout, reopen the paper trading tools and the reset option should be visible as expected. And that's how to reset paper trading in Webull desktop. By following these steps, you can easily refresh your paper trading account whenever you need to, allowing you to practice and learn effectively without any constraints. Thanks for watching and happy trading.